Hi guys, this is Wade with Phillips Auto Group of Bradley. Just want to take a quick second to demonstrate how to use a smart trunk in the 2023 Hyundai Sonata. So we're going to go ahead, place it in accessory mode, slide over, you will go to setup, vehicle, slide down here to door, and then you can turn on your smart trunk. Now I'm going to turn the vehicle off. I'm going to step outside and I will show you approaching the vehicle and how we activate the smart trunk. See you in just a minute.
On the outside of the vehicle now, so make sure it is locked. If you're coming out of the grocery store, you've got your hands to the bags. Just go ahead, approach the Sonata. It will beep 3 times, and then on the 4th beep, the trunk will open up. You can load all your cargo in, and you're good to go. Thank you guys very much. I was just demonstrating how to use the smart trunk feature on the 2023 Hyundai Sonata. If you have any additional questions, you can reach me at 815-933-2251, extension 742. Thank you very much. Have a great day.